Hello, this problem is asking us to write f of x equals x cubed minus 5x squared minus 11x plus 8 as essentially a quotient once it's divided by x plus 2 with the remainder. That was the c equals negative 2, so that's the root is negative 2, and so the factor is x plus 2. So the solution to a problem like this would be to, first of all, divide the polynomial by x plus 2 to see what the quotient is and what the remainder is. So I will use synthetic division here. We're dividing by a 0 of negative 2, or I guess I wouldn't call it a 0 here, but we're dividing by negative 2, representing the x plus 2 factor, and then the coefficients of 1, negative 5, negative 11, and 8. And so when we perform this synthetic division, we see that we get 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 and negative 5 together are negative 7. Multiplied by negative 2 is 14. Add 3. Multiply negative 6. Add 2. So 2 is the remainder when we divide our original polynomial by x plus 2. And therefore, when we rewrite it in this form that they desire, that they're asking for, we would say x cubed minus 5x squared minus 11x plus 8, in other words the original amount, is equal to the quotient, which is found by these coefficients. So that would be x squared minus 7x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 2, and then added by the remainder, and the remainder quantity was 2. So it turns out that if you were to expand this red versus orange and then add 2 on the end, you would get exactly this expression. So interestingly, the last bit of the problem asked us to verify to see what f of negative 2 is, and notice at the end what happens is f of negative 2, or what we can do is go to f of negative 2 would be negative 2 cubed minus 5 times negative 2 squared minus 11 times negative 2, and then plus 8. And of course this would be a negative 8. This one would become a negative 20. This one would become a positive, or a plus 22, plus 8. Cancellation of 8 and negative 8, and of course negative 20 plus 22 is 2. So notice the 2 here is the same as the remainder, which is here, which is the same as the part that we put on the end if we were going to write it in this expanded type.